Crafting and Crime Daily, the show where I recap live trials. But today, I have something a little different. Yeah, I've got my notes for today's Lori Vallow Daybell update. And the mailman came. I got my latest Temu delivery, and I wanted to unbox it here. Now, I'm still expecting one more delivery where I ordered a bunch of watercolor supplies. Probably will, when I get that, I'll unbox that on my Wednesday night, Craft With Me Wednesday show. But the first thing you got to be aware of with these packages is that they're packaged so tightly, depending on what you ordered in here. I ordered some clothing. So you got to be real careful cutting the package so you don't cut the clothing. This is a US-based company, which I was a little surprised to hear about that. But everything's drop shipping from China. So I don't want to do more cutting here. So I wear a lot of shirts on the show because, you know, and I like for them to be fun, like this one. So let's see what we got here. Oh my. Oh my. Now, the thing about ordering on Temu or any of these Chinese companies, like a 2X is like a 14. So you got to go up several sizes in order to get one that fits you. Anyway, I wear a US 2X because I'm a big shouldered woman. So I ordered this one in a very large size. So hopefully I'm not disappointed. Look how beautiful. Just a lightweight t-shirt. I'm going to show it to you. So this one is so lightweight and so comfortable. It's not cotton. It's definitely a very light polyester. But I like the gold that's running through it. I don't remember what I paid for it. I'll look that up though for you. What else? Another shirt. Yep. This one actually matches the pants that I have on today really, really well. My leggings. I'm always looking for a shirt to match these leggings. And now I have 2 shirts to match the leggings. So again, I ordered a 5X. This is a 5X, guys. And you know, I'm not normally a 5X. Look how interesting this one is. I'm not crazy about the colors. Actually, this looks a little large. You know what? I'm going to give this one to my sister. Same material, that lightweight. Yeah, I think it's going to be a little big on me, so I'm going to give it to my sister. Plus, it has fish, and I'm not really into fish. So we'll give that one to my sister. And I've got one more thing here. Oh, wait a minute. 2 more things. What else did we get? This says 6XL. Oh my goodness. I don't know about this, guys. What is this? Oh. It is. Oh, this is so ugly. Why would I order this? Oh my God. It's, you know what it is? What is it? Hold on. What the heck is this thing? Wait a minute. What in the world is going on here? Okay. I gotta try this on. What was I thinking? It's gorgeous. Maybe I thought it would be like a night shirt or something. This is kind of weird. This will be great for lounging around at night in the bed, I think, because it's still that lightweight polyester. Yeah, I'm thinking like after your shower, just throw this on. Maybe that's what I was thinking when I ordered it. I don't know. It's interesting. So I put this one back on because I really like it and it matches my pants. So yeah, I'm not sure what I was thinking when I ordered all this. But one more thing. I am always looking for storage ideas, always. So this is something for storage. And I ordered a large one. Here's how it comes, but I don't understand how it works. Wait a minute. Oh, okay. So I could put some yarn in here. Look at this. No, I'm not buying more yarn. Okay, so, all right. Here's how it goes. So it unzips here. I think. Well, I unzipped it and nothing happened. Or was it zipped? What? Oh, hold on. Apparently it was already unzipped. Okay. So, yeah, you put all the yarn in it, and then you can lift it on either side. How cool is that? Okay, I like that. Good storage solution. No shipping label to see what I paid for these. Let me see if I can figure it out from my phone. Mother's Day, 90% off on Temu. Just saying. I'm looking right now. This shirt here that I'm going to give to my sister was $8.99. I ordered it in a 5XL. They gave me a 6XL. They say the 5XL is a 22, which that makes sense. Then this one, I ordered in a 6XL, which is a 24. It was $7.64. And they're calling it a dark violet. This is called a green. And the plus size casual dress was a 6XL. $16.64. I'm almost tempted to return it. But I'm thinking it'll be really nice to lounge around in this summer at night. And the large capacity clothes storage box was $2.98. So the total for all of that, they're not going to tell me. Let me view the receipt. Was $38.71. And I got free shipping on all of that. So that's my Temu order. The next one will be all watercolor supplies. So we're going to see how that goes. So I'll see you in my crafting and crime video for today, guys. More from Lori Velo Daybell Trial. See you then. Bye.